All right, everybody. I saw these advertised at Five Below, and they were advertised as mini vegetable blind toys, mystery toys. And I went there yesterday, and they had 6 there, and I didn't see any little like pinpricks to let me know what they were. But when you look at the bottoms, you can see color differences. I know it might be hard on camera, but this one's like a mint green. This one looks like a reddish pink color. This one is kind of whitish. And then this one is kind of lavender or purple. And those are the only 4 colors that I could distinguish between. So I'm going to open up one just to see the scale of it. And I have a Barbie here. But it says mini veggie boxes. 6 in all to collect. And they show the boxes, eggplant, looks like a leek, a radish, some peppers, and some mystery one here, maybe, I don't know. So I'm going to open this quickly before my phone cuts out. And we'll see if these are a good scale for Barbie. 1/6 scale is what I'm looking for. So, yep, I could see through the wrapper that it was purple. And it has a flat bottom on it. Let's see how easy these are to open. Top comes with a little cardboard box. I knew the purple was the eggplant, so I opened that one up because I did want the eggplant ones. Inside the cardboard box, all the writing is in a foreign language. Here, it's just some stickers, it looks like, some mailing labels, and an empty box. And then here are the eggplants. There are 5 of them. And there's my cat, of course. So what I'm going to do is bring my Barbie doll over for you guys to see the scale of this. So here is my Barbie. Here is her hand. And can you see the scale of the eggplant? So I think it's a pretty decent scale for 1/6 dolls. So, her shoe fell off, little Cinderella moment there. What I'll do is I'll open up the other balls real quick. This is a mint green-ish bottom. And it appears mint green because through the white plastic it lightens it up. And when you open this, another little cardboard box. And hi, Lovey. Not trying to shoot a video here or anything. It looks like some stickers. These are just clear circle stickers here. Some little labels. And I'm guessing this is maybe a bok choy or a lettuce, possibly. So that's what's in the green bin. This one, it looks like it appears to be white from the outside. Here we go. Thanks, Lovey, for helping. Oh, so this is a light green bubble that appears to me white from the outside. So maybe this is a yellow more than a light green. So this could be the yellow bottom capsule instead of light green. I'll open up the card or the booklet after I open up these. Again, it looks like maybe 3, could be some kind of radish or something, or a white carrot looking thing. And then here's the box that has stickers. And there's just like a cardboard kind of space filler in there. And then the last one to me from the outside appears like reddish, pink, maybe orange. So we'll see what that one brings. And these were $5 a piece at Five Below. They did have them online. Oh, it's a red capsule. So the red capsule appears to be orangish from the outside. And when you open up the red capsule, another little box here. It appears to be the burgundy vegetable, whatever that is. I don't know what these are. Could be some kind of potato or a beet. They are a color of a beet, if you can see that against the white background there. So these are good size for Barbie. So again, the reddish beet looking things come in the red capsule. These white carrot things came in the yellow capsule. The green looking lettuce or bok choy came in the dark green capsule. And then the eggplant, which I don't know where it went because my cat was just playing with it and now it's missing. Thanks, Lovey. Oh, here they are. Here are the eggplant, and they came in the purple capsule. So let's open up one of these booklets, and of course it's in black and white. So the Napa cabbage, that is what comes in the green capsule, the Napa cabbage. The eggplant, that is what comes in the purple capsule. Sweet potato, it looks like that's what comes in the red cat box. I did not get what they call paprika. That looks like a pepper more to me. And then they say Napa cabbage again, even though they say this is Napa cabbage. So these are like the white carrot looking things. They come in the yellow capsule. And it looks like there's 5. They said there's seals for maybe the boxes. There are labels, not edible, keep this product away from children. They said there are 6 of these, and there's a question mark. So I'm wondering if there's some kind of mystery down the back. There is nothing. So I did this quick because usually my camera dies out. But once more, those are the eggplants. Here are the sweet potatoes. Here is the Napa cabbage. And they called this the Napa cabbage also, but they look like white carrots or some kind of white radish maybe. Daikon, I think they're called maybe. I didn't get the paprika as they call it, which looks like peppers to me. But here's the Barbie. Here's the cabbage. Here are the sweet potatoes. Here are the eggplants. And then whatever these radish looking things are. So thanks for joining me. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. All right, everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.